Have you ever worked incredibly hard toward a goal only to watch everything suddenly fall apart? You put in the hours, you do everything right, and yet your life seems to slide backward into chaos. Standard logic views these setbacks as evidence of failure. However, energetic principles identify these disruptions as a period of mandatory calibration before a major shift in status. The universe communicates through a hidden architecture of energy shifts and physical disruptions rather than direct language. This flowchart illustrates the specific mechanics of the process. Before massive abundance arrives, you are moved through a strict cosmic preparation protocol, transitioning from disruption to alignment, and finally, a physical upgrade. Destructive cycles create the necessary vacuum required to trigger your next major breakthrough. Step 1 of this protocol is the tower moment, or a cosmic cleaning. This phase involves the forceful extraction of misaligned elements from your daily life. Look at this structural blueprint. To build a sprawling palace where a decaying house sits, the old structure must be demolished first. Similarly, losing a job or relationship functions as an automated defense mechanism, removing entities unable to handle your rising energy levels. Because you are living inside the demolition zone, your immediate experience is limited to the dust and the noise. That sensory chaos often masks the necessary structural groundwork happening beneath the surface. External destruction clears the geographical and emotional bandwidth required to physically host a new reality. While the old structures fall away, the universe maintains your trajectory using reassurance markers. These appear in our environment as synchronicities and repeating numbers. Take 1111. It functions as a synchronization point, indicating your abstract thoughts are aligning with physical reality. 222 and 333 confirm you've reached a steady path. Meanwhile, 777 indicates a massive upward spike in the mathematical probability of a desired outcome. You might also encounter physical breadcrumbs. Finding an unexpected white feather suggests a shield of protection, while finding out-of-place coins signals a shift in the flow of financial abundance. These events are deliberate, timed tracking markers, proving that you are successfully navigating the transition. Once the external environment is cleared, the protocol moves to the internal vessel upgrade. This universally starts with a sudden, intense craving for deep isolation. Crowds, social friction, and idle gossip become exhausting. These environments operate on a heavier, slower frequency that drains the new energetic state you are building. This upgrade manifests physically. You may find yourself developing a sudden aversion to heavy, processed foods, or choosing morning silence over late-night activities. These new routines usually require zero discipline. They happen effortlessly, driven by a natural biological shift rather than sheer willpower. Your body is preemptively restructuring its energy capacity. It is building the physical health required to carry the demands of the success that is about to arrive. There is one final test to complete this preparation: the conscious release of past grievances. Holding on to resentment acts as literal dead weight. It functions as an anchor that binds you to an older version of your life, preventing any upward movement. We can map out the mechanics of forgiveness using this network diagram. Forgiveness severs your own energetic tether to the trauma, allowing your internal frequency to rise independently of the past. The ultimate indicator of readiness is a sense of deep, unexplainable inner peace. Even if the external chaos is still settling around you, your mind remains completely quiet. The universe does not randomly hand out massive success. You have to endure the demolition, read the markers, and systematically become the structural vessel capable of holding it.